Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. I would like to introduce about myself before I presenting my research. My name is Esa Riyandi Kardias. I'm from Politeknik Negeri Banyuwangi in Tourism Department. Okay, the title of my research is The Examining Tourist Push and Pull Motivation on Revisit Intention in Banyuwangi Tourism Destination. And in the introduction, we are talking about the main key for the successful implementation of tourism department or tourism development or tourism growth is in the active role of stakeholder, one of which is tourists. Tourist as a supporting element, but as the main element in branding or and a business. The main element intent is a tourist can become buyers of product at the destination and as the most effective promotion media in product marketing and brand image confidence in a product. And then when traveling, tourists have to have travel motivation. When motivation is an important factor for prospective tourists in making decisions regarding the tourist destination they will visit. Prospective tourists will perceive the tourist destination area. This perception is generated by individual preference, previous experiences, and the information they obtain. Tourist motivation to travel is influenced by various things, one of which is the pandemic or COVID-19. Which has been going on for 3 years. The pandemic is likely to influence or even change tourist consumption patterns, such as the increasing popularity of free or independent travel, luxury travel, and maybe health tourism. And then we are talking about Banyuwangi. Banyuwangi is one of the destinations that is trying to recover from the COVID-19, from the pandemic. Banyuwangi tourism actors are always trying to adapt to the COVID-19 by implementation health protocol to ensure the safety and comfort of tourists. And then Banyuwangi also has a target in 2023 that is 3.5 million tourists, the target. One of effort that needs to be made to attract tourist interest is by examining tourist motivation for visiting Banyuwangi destination, because motivation is a trigger for the tourism travel process. Analysis related to motivation becomes increasingly important when it is connected to tourism as a phenomena in world society where tourist behavior is influenced by various motivation when traveling. Okay, and then the next slide about literature review. We use the definition operational, we use concept or theory from the tourism destination, from the tourist motivation, and then from the revisit intention. And then about the method, this research use a quantitative approach with survey research methods. When researchers ask respondents about belief, opinion, characteristic, and object of behavior regarding themselves. The research was conducted in Banyuwangi tourism destination, and then respondents are foreign tourists who have experience traveling to Banyuwangi destination, and then the sampling technique use accidental sampling, and then the number of sample using the formula of Slovin, and the result is 100 sample. While samples were taken in 3 locations. There are from Blimbing Sari Airport, and then Ijen Crater, and then in Red Island. And then the data analyze technique use partial least square through Smart PLS 3.0 software. And then next slide is about the result. The result is we are talking about respondent profile. There are we get from 100 respondent, and then about gender, the male is domination, and then from the age is 20 until 39 years old is domination, and then from education is bachelor, and the occupation is employee, and then the country of residence is the first is wait a moment, point Australia, and then France, and then the East Asia. From the 100 respondents, they are talking about how many times they have visit in Banyuwangi. The results is 2 times, and using the result of Banyuwangi as their main destination is the results is 51 said that Banyuwangi as their main destination. Okay, and then we are talking about hypothesis result. Significant test can be determined by using t-statistic and p-value. Whether a hypothesis is accepted or rejected. There are 2 points, t-statistic and the p-value. The research hypothesis test use a one-tail test, so that the hypothesis is declared accepted if the t-statistic value is more than 1.64 with p-value less 0.05. From there are 8 hypotheses was built in this result, and then only 2 hypotheses that having significant positive effect on revisit intention. There are motivation of attractiveness on revisit intention, yeah, and then the second one is the infrastructure on revisit intention. And then this is the model result of from the Smart PLS software. The model is talking about indicator with the indicator. The construct with indicators and the construct with construct. For example, the motivation of novelty seeking with the indicators is the yellow color, and then the motivation of novelty seeking have no effect on revisit intention. That is about model result. Okay, and then we are talking about discussion. The first is the influence of novelty-seeking motivation on revisit intention. Based on the research result, novelty-seeking motivation has no effect on revisit intention in the Banyuwangi destination. It was concluded that new research made by tourists at the Banyuwangi destination were not able to influence their perception regarding revisit intention, which means that the higher or lower the novelty-seeking motivation of tourists will not influence revisit intention. Novelty-seeking contributes to tourist destination when the formation of satisfaction occurs. Satisfaction. So, novelty-seeking motivation is also an antecedent of satisfaction and loyalty to tourist destination in the form of repeat visit. And the second, about the influence of cultural experience motivation on revisit intention. Based on the research result, cultural experience motivation has no effect on revisit intention. This means that the level of cultural experience motivation experienced by tourists will not influence revisit intention at the Banyuwangi destination. To get tourist revisit intention from the motivation culture experience, they must go through experience commitment and experience satisfaction as a mediation. So the case from the cultural experience and novelty seeking also same. It have to satisfaction as a mediation between the motivation and revisit intention. Okay, and the third is the influence of adventure motivation on revisit intention. The research result found that adventure motivation had no influence on revisit intention. The level of tourist adventure motivation will not affect revisit intention in Banyuwangi. Yeah, adventure experience has the most influence on revisit intention based on female gender, and there must be ethic accepted by tourists when carrying out an adventure to get revisit intention. And then the fourth is the influence of escape motivation on revisit intention. The research result show that tourist escape motivation has an insignificant effect on revisit intention to the Banyuwangi destination. From the perspective of beginner tourists, the main reason for traveling to tourist attraction are to be happy, have fun, get away from the hustle and bustle of daily work, learn new things, meet new people, and see place full of history. So that they are creating revisit intention. And this is the basic for the lack of influence of escape motivation on revisit intention. Considering the data obtained in the field show that 71% of respondents visit Banyuwangi more than once, so they are not included in the beginner category. And then the influence of social contact motivation on revisit intention. The research results show that motivation social contact of tourists has an insignificant effect on revisit intention to the Banyuwangi destination. This means that the holiday experience of meeting and interaction with local people or other tourists is not the reason why tourists return in Banyuwangi destination. And then the influence of motivation facilities on revisit intention. The results of this study indicate that the tourist motivation in terms of facilities doesn't influence their revisit intention. Research show that facilities are not one of the factors that make tourists visit Banyuwangi destination, because the main factor that tourists are interested in seeing this place is attractiveness. The result of other research show that tourist facilities are not part of tourist behavior that encourage tourists to visit with the same destination. There are six construct that from the motivation construct has no effect on revisit intention. But after this and this slide, we are talking about the effect, the positive effect or positive significant effect, the motivation on revisit intention. The first is the influence of attractiveness motivation on revisit intention. Based on data analysis, it shows a significant positive influence between motivational attractiveness and revisit intention because respondents felt that the application of attractiveness indicator was good and able to motivation them to make visit, such as the uniqueness of tourists, diversity of tourism, authenticity of tourism, friendly lines of the people, beauty of the tourism, clean line, and the safety that tourists found when visiting Banyuwangi destination. The Banyuwangi destination with its various global attraction, such as the Blue Fire of Ijen Crater, which is the only one in the world, Ijen Crater, and then the Sukhumadi Beach as a breeding place for various types of turtles, including those that are about to become extinct. And then Plengkung Beach is one of the best wave or surfers. The various national and even international awards received are also proof of Banyuwangi existence as one of the National Tourism Strategic Area or KSPN. So that if the better on and higher the motivation of tourism the better and higher the motivation of tourists in terms of attractiveness of tourist attraction in Banyuwangi, it will further increase tourists' desire to revisit the location. That is about motivation of attractiveness, and then we are talking about the motivation infrastructure motivation on revisit intention. One aspect of tourism that is a motivation for traveling is infrastructure. Due to the convenience of the infrastructure of a place, the easier it is for the tourist to access or visit a tourist attraction, the greater their subsequent consideration will be about returning the object. Based on the result of this analysis, it shows that there is a significant positive influence between infrastructure motivation and revisit intention in Banyuwangi destination. This happened because respondents felt that the implementation of infrastructure motivation indicator was good. Suitability for the available of land, sea, and air transportation both nationally or internationally, road condition, there are signs to and from the tourist attraction, mobile usage can be used in various tourist attractions including in the mountain because there is a network provider for signal. That is two factors to construct where they have positive significant in revisit intention. And then the conclusion, the first, the model of the relationship between motivation and revisit intention for region tourists at the Banyuwangi destination has been declared worthy of duplication in similar research, even though the decent model has been formed. After looking at the value weight, there is no influence of push motivation on revisit intention, whether from novelty seeking, and then cultural, and then adventure, and then escape, and the social contact. But the real relationship is formed between the pull motivation and the revisit intention. There is influence of attraction motivation and infrastructure motivation on revisit intention. Meanwhile, the motivation aspect of facilities has no influence on revisit intention. And then Banyuwangi tourism actors should be continue to maintain attractiveness and infrastructure factors, so that these two factors as a reason that motivate foreign tourists to revisit Banyuwangi destination. Meanwhile, the facilities factors must be maximized so it can be motivation to revisit intention. And last, the limitation of this research is the lack of less widespread population, considering the minimal number of foreign tourists received through Blimbing Sari Airport, Red Island Tourist Attraction, and Paltuding Ijen Creature. The hope for the future researchers is to develop a conceptual model such as adding other motivational variables to explain the factors that can trigger tourists to make revisit intention. Okay, and this is the last slide is about our documentation. I think that is enough. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.